App Creator, how to manage your colors. Alright, so once we're here in our editor tab, we can come down to colors, of course, and this is very self-explanatory. Everything is categorized, so this is going to be the colors that you're changing. So general, overall, we have a background, so that's the only one here. Now the header is going to be the header here. This is the colors of your header, the text, background, and border. Same thing with the home page. You'll start to see in your preview over here, things will start changing. So as I come over the header, you're only going to see the header. If I come to the home page, you're going to see the home page. It does this so that you don't get confused with the colors that you're working with. Same thing with list. I come to list, and then we have an example of what a list is here. Then we have our colors here as well. Same thing going to be with the loyalty card. Any buttons that we have, we're going to configure the colors here. Our check boxes, we can configure which colors are. When we want to do that, we can select here, select the color that we want. You're going to see it change for us. We can come here as well and do this as well. That's going to work for just about everything, radio, toggle, you name it. Now, one cool thing to note to make it a little bit easier when you're going through and designing your colors. Say I have this color here, or it's great. I like this button, I like this color, but I also want that same exact color to be here on my border for whatever reason. So how do we do that without having to go and drag this thing around and kind of figure out where it's at? We have a number here. We double click, we copy that number, and then we go to the box that we want. So let's say we want the border to be like so. We come here, we double click, and we paste, and we have the same exact color here as well. Okay, so you can do that to configure your colors, and everything else you can pretty much figure out is straightforward. I will talk to you next tutorial.